Sagittarius, Sagittarius, hello po. September 8 to 14. Welcome po sa Scorp's Work Tarot. So, another weekend. Another weekend, Sagittarius. Tignan natin yung energy ni Sagittarius. So, hopefully, masaya po ang ating weekend at ang ating last week full of energy. Yeah. Another weekend. So, laba. At kapit-kapit po tayo, Sagittarius. Relax mode tayo weekend. So, weekend ko lang po ginagawa ito. Full-time job. Mahirap din palang mag-YouTube. Akala ko madali. Napasubo ako. September 8 to 14. Hindi ko na sinabi Aquarius, Sagittarius. Sagittarius po tayo ha, Sagittarius. September 8 to 14. So, hopefully, ang mga balita sa Pilipinas magbago na ang mga baha at maibalik sa pera natin yung sa kaban natin yung ipabalik na lang nila yung mga nasirang mga na yan, flood control. Okay, sneaky. Meron kang ini-strategize. Okay, yung balitang kung ano hiniabangan mo ngayon, mabilis na daw, sabi niya. Gusto mo maging star, yung pinagdasal mo, ibigay sa'yo. Yun ang wish mo. Wish upon a star. Lahat ng ginagawa mo ay para ma-achieve mo kung ano man yung wini-wish mo na yun. Strategy. So, no effect. Ang effect niyan ibigay sa iyo ng universe. Tama ba yan, Sagittarius? Yan ba yung inihintay mo? September 8 to 14. O meron kang dapat pag-ingatan na mga taong mga manggagancho at magnanakaw. Ingatan daw yung communication something. Communication, mabilis yung mga balita. Kasi technology age na tayo. Kailangang mag-ingat din sa communication. Filter. Sabi, filter. Mabilis yung crow. Ibon. Crow yan di ba? Yung ibon na maitim. Uwak ba yan sa Tagalog? Okay. Kasi, kapag na-receive mo na yung balita na yan, ready ka ng humiwalay. Sagittarius. Ready ka nang to move forward. Ano ba yung gusto mong i-move forward? Kasi nagiging sleepless night sa'yo nagiging stressful ka pa doon Ayaw mo naman ng ganoong drama pa. So, very karmic yung reading lately. It's all about yung kung ano itinanim siyang aanihin type of energy. Mabagal nga lang kasi yung minsan yung timing niyan yung winish mo na yan hanggang kailan ko ba hihintayin niya yung offer na yan, yung darating na pagmamahal. Gusto ko lang naman ng konting attention. Pero ganyan, Sagittarius. Okay, tignan natin yung timeline. September 8 to 14. I think very practical, very easy tong ni Sagittarius. Yung kaninang reading ko, binugbog ako ni sino ba yun? Aquarius yata yun. Kaya nasabi ko yung Aquarius. Mabigat yung story, yung na-pick up kong energy. So anyway, Sagittarius, tignan natin yung energy. So tignan natin kung makaresonate to some of the people here. Kung ano yung timeline nila. Mas gusto ko pong ibigay yung card para mas masaya. Kailangan, sige, paliparin natin yung card. Okay, yan, ganyan ang gusto ko. So, ano yung sinisentimiento mo? Wala na yung regret na yun Puputulin mo na yung regret na yun Yes, nasaktan ka. Ten rider ka. Yan yan eh. Ayan yung sneaky crow. Yeah. Ayan yung regret eh. The same color pattern siya. Okay. So, talikuran itong ano na ito. Kumbaga sa ano eh. Bastusan na ito. Yeah, okay. Ayan oh. The spell. So natapon yung ano, yung 3 tasa. Yung dalawa available pa. Pero you are regretting yung natapon. So pinagdasal mo na sana matapos na ito. Ano ba yan, Sagittarius? Okay. So anong stage ka ng storyline? Tapusin na ito, sabi niya. You're contemplating on that one. Pero again, hindi po yung mga ganong situation hindi madali eh. Tama po ba? Maski na nasaktan ka o tinrader ka, hindi ganong kadali. Hindi ganong kadali. Sagittarius. Tignan po natin yung energy ni Sagittarius. O baka wala na dito sa card na ito. Lilipat ako doon sa isang card. Check natin. Ano pa? Kuha pa tayo, Sagittarius. Baka merong siyang message from this card. Meron pa ba? Tingnan natin. Sagittarius. Wala. Ayaw niya nang ibigay dito. Okay. So, your storyline, merong somebody na sneaky. O ikaw ito. Tingnan natin kung sino yan, Sagittarius. Okay. Gusto mo lang naman magbago eh. Gusto mo magbago, alin? Ang sitwasyon? So, sana maging victorious ka. Lahat tayo gusto natin maging victory. Kung ano man yung plano mo na yan. Yes, a successful career, a successful marriage, a successful whatever, yung kung ano may definition mo ng success. Okay? Kung gusto mo magka-award, sige, sana magka-award ako. Kasi pinaghirapan ko naman ito eh. Okay, ito yung buong storyline mo. Binigay na. Okay. Kung ano yung iniwanan mo na yan, meron kang you are part of that one. I think kung sa relationship ito naging okay. Kung sa relationship ito, you're part of that whole problema ng dynamics. Ano ba yung ginawa mo rito, Sagittarius? Okay. Ito na naman yung 4 and 5. Yung series of event na yan yung series of event, you are part of that one. Ano ba yung ginawa ninyo na yan? Meron maganyan, Sagittarius. Yung choices nyo na may kalokohan na ginawa ito. Karmic ito eh. Karma ito for you. It's a lesson learned. It's a lesson learned. Mabilis yung darating na ito na kailangang you need to redeem yourself. You need to redeem yourself. You need to redeem yourself. Yun lang ang nakikita ko rito. You need to redeem yourself. Kung gusto mo ng support group, meron. If that's what you're looking. Pero yung bakit ka nagre-regret at ano yung gusto mong i-cut. You did something stupid here. And you're part of it. Very interesting. Meron mang ganyan, Sagittarius. Very straightforward po yung sinabi ko. You did something. Hindi. Okay. Sorry po. So, kasi, very, very straightforward din yung card niya dito eh. You're regretting something. Okay? But, why are you regretting it? Okay? Yung decision na yung regret na yun, it's something to do with some of the decision in the past on what you created eh. Okay? And you did together with whoever na partner mo yan or kakuntsaba mo na yan, you did something snaky o ginawa sa'yo yan. Okay? Iba-iba po yung ano niyaan. Ayan, ikaw na rin yung nagkumawa ng sarili mong problema at multo. Is it after the wedding? Okay. Mukhang kailangan ko yatang magsigarilyo dito sa reading na ito, Sagittarius. Yes, meron mong ganyan. And it's coming fast. Kung ano may darating na fast na yon, is it the karma or something? Or you know it? Or kailangan umalis ka na dyan sa kinalalagyan mo. Kasi nasa deep hole ka eh. Nagkaroon ka ng answer eh. Somebody gave you that answer. I think somebody gave you that answer. Somebody gave you that answer. Meron bang ganyan, Sagittarius? Okay, balasahin ko lang ito ulit somebody gave you that answer. Lakasan mo daw yung loob mo. Kung meron kaibigang Leo. Meron ka ba kaibigang Leo? O meron kang ano ba to, placement sa Leo. Okay, Sagittarius. Okay, kunin ko ito na siguro yung buong storyline. Mahaba ito. Is it related to having a child or pregnancy or something? Okay. Decision maker, foundation, a fatherly figure, tatay, kuya, or anything in authority. Okay. Somebody in that authority na mayroong power over the situation. You just put it this way, nakipag-connect ka, nakipag-negosyo, etc. down the line. You thought na meron bang relationship dynamics doon? Nakipag-affair ka ba? And it becomes sticky. Naging snake itong relationship na ito kasi meron third party. Hindi maibigay kung ano may situation mo now and you thought that's the happiness. Yung ginawa mo na yun ang mapagpapasaya sa'yo kung ano man yung ginawa mo na iyon. Okay, nag-underground ka dito. And why is that? Well, because of it's all about you want to repay something. So, nag-underground ka. Doon nagkabuhol-buhol yung istorya mo. Meron bang ganyan? You want to repay something or you want to repay back yung you owe somebody and the way you want to repay it back, merong strings attached. Pwede din yun. Meron bang ganyan, Sagittarius? And yun ang gusto mong buhay actually. Parang you are enjoying that type of lifestyle. I don't think this regret is really a regret or you're regretting it now. Maaring tunay na regret because you realize na hindi yun ang hinahanap mo. Nagkaroon ka ng clarity. Again, okay. Ito yung tipong relationship na somebody is older and somebody who has more power than, than what you having right now. Meron ganyan? Meron bang ganyan? Meron ganyan. Typical movie telenovela ito. And you've been doing that for quite a while. And you're loving it. Oh, yun ang masaklap dito. Mayroon bang ganyan, Sagittarius? Ayan, no? I don't want to think anything else about this one ng yung Ace of Cups na ito. Binibigay sa iyo may bagong offer. If you want to change, then change. Yun ang sinasabi dito. If you're happy with that okay, ayokong maging judgmental. If you want to become number 2, go ahead. Yan ang 2 aces. Yes. Again, it's everybody's choice. Or you want to cut it. Yes. Okay. You've been praying for this one, pero parang hindi ko makita dito na you know what you want. Parang hindi ko makita dito na you really know what you want. Merong regret? Yeah, okay, may regret. Bakit ko ginagawa po ito? Yung tipong ganyan, okay? Pero, here you are. You are enjoying it. Okay? You're enjoying it. Alam mo na minsan, yung masama, minsan masarap yan eh. Sorry po. Yes. Okay, people are doing that. Meron bang ganyan? Meron bang ganyan, Sagittarius? You're enjoying it. Okay, wala pong judgment dito. Hindi ako maghuhusga. Yes. And you feel that nakapagbibigay ng ng energy kumbaga sa mga addiction sa pagsa-shopping. Ay, masarap pong mag-shopping, di ba? Pero kung may pera ka, okay. Yan yung tipo. Pero kung nangungutang ka para makapag-shopping, then that's another thing. And you feel powerful sa ganyan. Madami akong credit card. Sige, mangutang ako. Now, meron sa'yo nagsusuporta. That's another thing. You don't have... Ngayon, I don't see any change here. Are you looking for change? I don't think you're looking for a change. Parang nabaon ka dito. Merong regret. Sumusungaw-sungaw siya. Sana maibalik ko yung nakaraan. Sana pa maibalik ko yung nakaraan. Anong hinahanap mo rito, Sagittarius? And this is very karmic. That's what it's saying here. Alam mo yan eh. Alam mo yan. Alam mo. Deep inside. Yun yata yung pinagdadasal mo doon. Kumbaga sana pinagdadasal mo na huwag kang mabuking. Meron bang ganyan? Oh, very interesting Meron ka bang kaibigan o Aries or Taurus or Aries, Taurus, sino pa ba yung isa? Aries, Taurus, I forgot the other sign. Virgo. Okay, i-check mo lang yon. So something or somebody placed that what is the other earth sign? I forgot. Yeah, yung sign na yon. If that something resonates to you, Parang ano ito, telenovela ito. This is ongoing until now. This is ongoing until now. Ano ba yung pinaghihinayangan mo? Ginawa mo yun eh. So, ano pa yung wini-wish mo? Na huwag kang mabuko? O, wini-wish mo na you want to move to other... Kasi mabilis yung wish na yan eh. Okay, that's all I can see here. Ngayon, if you want to cut ties, if you want to change, because I see here, it's stressing you out. You know, no, there's still a way out if that's what you're looking. There is still a way out. Kung ano man yun, you need to connect to your ano ba talaga yung gusto mo. Hindi, I have here how many aces. There is a new beginning if that's what you're looking for. I don't see any choices here. Ayaw mo lang mamili. There is a choices kasi hindi choice. Acknowledge yung available na sa situation mo. There is something available but you're looking for something else. You're regretting the past. That's what it's in that's how it's being played. Okay. So I don't see anything related about family matters here. I think it's you who is undergoing this internalizing. Medyo nag-internalize ka dito. Sumusungo din yung I think this is personal happiness. What defines your happiness? Yeah. So September 8 to 14, naghahanap ka ng you are regretting, you want to cut something. And it's gonna happen fast. Very karmic. Yung wish mo na yan, darating siya. Okay, meron ba ganyan Sagittarius? So, i-check natin. Itong devil na to, it's something strong. Parang ikaw ito eh. You're condoning it. Parang gano'n ang tipo. You're happy with what you're doing, whether it's right or wrong. Yeah? September 8 to 14. So, tignan natin yung sabi ng Moon Oracle card. Salamat po sa panonood at pagtsatsaga kung meron mang nanonood. Hi, pagod weekend. So, one more Oracle card para kay Sagittarius. Tignan natin itong ano ang advice ng Moon. Isang card lang. Itong lifeline yung storyline ni Sagittarius is still ongoing eh. Is still ongoing. Okay, ito yung nagagalit. Sige. Full moon. Need to wait for the full moon kaya. Sabi dito, take time to relax, recharge, and replenish your inner strength. Inner strength. What I can see here, something related to inner strength. Okay, inner strength. Yeah, you are on the pace of the Ten of Swords. Okay, Sagittarius is very fiery yung passion niyan actually. So, inner strength, recharge, replenishment, is that something na you need to... Okay, this woman is recharging. I think ang sinasabi siguro ng Moon is you're looking for answer basically. You're looking for answer and direction. So the answer will be given and will come fast. So you just need to recharge. Darating na daw. Yeah. So nagre-resonate ba kung meron man? Sagittarius, September 8 to 14. Yeah, okay. So enjoy po yung weekend. Thanks for coming. See you again.